Have you ever raised your arm, looked in the mirror, and immediately put it back down? Yeah, we've all been there. Dark underarms are one of those things nobody really talks about, but somehow, everyone is secretly searching for at 2 a.m. And before anyone says it, no, dark underarms do not automatically mean you're unhygienic. You could shower twice a day, own 17 body washes, and still have dark underarms. A lot of the time, it's caused by things like shaving, friction, dead skin buildup, irritating deodorants, excessive sweating, genetics, and sometimes even medical conditions. So if you've been scrubbing your underarms like you're trying to remove permanent marker and wondering why nothing is changing, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing everything that has actually helped people improve the appearance of dark underarms, along with some mistakes that might be making them darker without you realizing it. One quick reality check before we start. If you're expecting your underarms to go from dark to bright in one night, I'm sorry, but that's not how skin works. Consistency wins every single time. Now let's get into it. First, let's talk about shaving. Honestly, shaving gets away with a lot. Many people notice darker underarms simply because they shave regularly. When you shave, you're cutting the hair at the surface, not removing it from the root. That can create a shadow effect underneath the skin. Plus, repeated shaving can cause irritation over time. So, if your skin tolerates it, try waxing instead. Waxing removes the hair from the root, which often leaves the underarm area looking smoother and brighter. If waxing isn't your thing, that's completely fine. Just make sure you're using a clean razor, shaving gently, and moisturizing afterward. Now let's talk about exfoliation. And no, I don't mean attacking your underarms with a scrub every single day. That's a very fast way to annoy your skin. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week is usually enough. One of my favorite DIY scrubs is made with 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon orange peel powder, 1 teaspoon honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Mix everything together and gently massage it onto your underarms for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then leave it on for another 5 minutes before washing it off. Let's talk about why this scrub works. The sugar helps remove dead skin cells. Orange peel powder contains vitamin C and antioxidants that can help brighten the appearance of the skin. Honey keeps everything moisturized and prevents the scrub from feeling too harsh. And lemon juice provides mild exfoliation. Now, if lemon juice doesn't suit your skin, don't force it. Your skin is not in a competition. Simply replace it with rose water. Rose water is soothing, refreshing, and much gentler on sensitive skin. Another simple scrub you can try is rice flour, honey, and rose water. It's gentle, beginner-friendly, and great for removing dull surface buildup. Now, let's talk about something that skincare lovers swear by: glycolic acid. If glycolic acid had a fan club, the internet would be running it. And honestly, for good reason. Glycolic acid helps remove dead skin cells and encourages skin renewal. It can help improve texture, reduce roughness, and gradually improve the appearance of pigmentation caused by friction, shaving, and buildup. But, and this is important, more glycolic acid does not mean faster results. That's not how it works. To use glycolic acid, start with clean, dry underarms. Use it only a few nights a week in the beginning. And please don't apply it immediately after shaving or waxing unless irritation is your hobby. Let your skin recover first. With consistent use, glycolic acid may help smooth rough skin, reduce dead skin buildup, improve skin texture, minimize ingrown hairs, and gradually brighten the underarm area. Now let's move on to masks. Because who said face masks should get all the attention? The first mask is a multani mitti mask. Mix 1 tablespoon multani mitti, enough raw milk to make a paste, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it for about 15 minutes and rinse. If lemon juice doesn't suit you, use rose water instead. Multani mitti helps absorb impurities. Raw milk contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates. And together they leave the skin feeling fresh and clean. The next mask is the turmeric mask. And yes, before anyone asks, turmeric can leave a yellow stain, which is exactly why I recommend doing this before a shower. Mix half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off during your shower. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Honey keeps the skin soft and hydrated. And once again, if lemon juice isn't your friend, replace it with rose water. Another mask that works beautifully is potato juice and aloe vera gel. Potatoes naturally contain enzymes that may help brighten the appearance of skin. Aloe vera helps calm and hydrate. Mix equal amounts, apply for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse. You can also try a yogurt and ground flour mask. Simple, effective, and easy to make. Now, let's talk about something people completely forget: moisturizing. A lot of people spend money on scrubs, masks, serums, treatments, and then completely ignore moisturizer. Meanwhile, their skin is sitting there dry and irritated. Hydrated skin simply functions better. You can use a gentle moisturizer or aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is especially nice because it feels cooling and soothing. Next, let's discuss friction. Because sometimes the problem isn't what you're putting on your underarms, it's what you're putting over them. Tight clothes constantly rubbing against the skin can contribute to pigmentation. If possible, choose breathable fabrics and avoid clothing that's extremely tight around the underarm area. And if you sweat a lot, try changing out of sweaty clothes as soon as possible. Now, let's have a quick conversation about deodorants. Some deodorants contain strong fragrances and ingredients that can irritate sensitive skin. If your deodorant burns, stings, or leaves the skin feeling irritated, that's your sign to find a gentler option. And please don't spray half the bottle onto freshly shaved skin. Your underarms have suffered enough. Before we finish, let's talk about some common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Scrubbing too hard. Your underarms are skin, not kitchen tiles. Be gentle. Mistake number 2. Using lemon juice every single day. More isn't always better. Mistake number 3. Applying glycolic acid, scrubs, and masks all at the same time. Your skin needs balance, not chaos. Mistake number 4. Skipping moisturizer. And mistake number 5. Expecting results after 2 days and giving up. Skin takes time. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Okay, but how long is this actually going to take? And honestly, it depends. If your dark underarms are mainly caused by things like shaving, friction, dead skin buildup, or irritation, you might start noticing improvements within a few weeks of being consistent. But if genetics, hormones, or certain medical conditions are involved, the process can take longer and sometimes requires professional treatment. And one last important thing before we wrap up. If your underarms suddenly become much darker, feel thick or velvety, or don't improve despite consistent care, consider speaking with the dermatologist. Sometimes pigmentation can be linked to underlying health conditions. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Sending you a little hug through the screen. See you in the next one.